ma'am. Have you ever wondered how this internet works and how the companies keep their data safe?
What if I told you that you could be the one to make all that happen? Welcome to the B.Voc in IT networking, a degree that gives you the skills to enter the exciting world of technology. In this 3 years program, you will learn everything about computer networks, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and more. It's not just about the theory. You will get hands-on experience through internship and real-world projects. You will learn how to design, manage, and secure networks, preparing you for the IT world most exciting roles.
So what jobs can I get after this degree?
So you can become a network administrator, network engineer, cybersecurity analyst, system administrator, or even an IT consultant. These roles are in high demand across the industries like tech, finance, healthcare, and government.
And what about the salary?
The earning potential is great. Here's a quick look. For network engineers, you can earn up to 4 to 8 lakhs per annum. Cybersecurity analyst, you can earn up to 5 to 10 lakhs per annum. IT consultant, you can earn 6 to 12 lakhs per annum. With the right skill and experience, you will have endless opportunity to grow and succeed in this fast-growing field. If you are ready to take your first step towards the exciting tech career, B.Voc in IT or networking is the way to go. So what are you waiting for? Get started today and unlock the doors of future in technology.